Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this C++ tutorial, I'm going to talk a bit about string methods. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is include a header file. I'm going to type a hashtag and then include, and then a left bracket, iostream, and a right bracket. I also want to tell the program that I'm using the standard namespace. So I'm going to type using namespace std with a colon. And now I want to create my main function, so I'm going to type int main and open and closing parentheses, and I'll start with a left curly bracket just like that. And now I'm going to show you how to declare a string. So I just do that by indicating the variable type, which is string, and then the name of the variable, which in this case I'm going to call it name because I'm going to use my name. And I'm going to set it equal, and then within quotes, I'm going to write the string, so Tim, okay? Now, the other way we can do this is we can just declare the variable string, and then you have the name, and then you can initialize it by name equals Tim, like that. So you can do it either way. All right, so let's actually go back to the first way because that's a little shorter. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to print that variable. So I'm going to type cout, two left brackets like that, the name of the variable, which is name, two left brackets, and then end line like that. At the end of my main function, I'm going to return 0, and I'm going to close my right curly brace just like that. I'm going to open up a terminal, and I'm going to compile this with the command g++, the name of the file, more strings.c++, a dash o, and then more underscore strings, and hit enter. And it went ahead and compiled. Now I'm going to run it with a period, forward slash, and the name of the file, so more strings, and you see it prints out my name. Okay, I'm going to exit out of the terminal. The next thing I want to show you is how you can get one character from a string. So within the string, the first character in the string is at index 0. The second character is at index 1, third character is at index 2, so on and so forth. So if I wanted to print the first character, I can type the name of the variable, in this case it's just name, and then a square bracket like that, and a 0 because I want the first character, and then a closing square bracket like that. So this program, after I recompile and rerun, is going to just print T, the first character. So let's go ahead and recompile, and let's go ahead and rerun, and you see it just prints T. Okay, now I want to change a character within the string. So I'm going to delete this last part here. And let's say we wanted to change the name from Tim to Jim. Well, what I could do is do name, and then within square brackets, the first index, the character I want to change, and set it equal to, and then within single quotes, J, like so. And I'll put a semicolon right after that. And now it should print out Jim after we recompile and rerun. Okay, and we see it's changed to Jim. Okay, all right, let's exit out of here. And we can also add to a string. So now that I've changed it, I can also take my name string and do a plus equals and then add to a string. So I could add a space and say is cool and close that out with quotes there. And now it should print out Jim is cool when I recompile and rerun it. So you see Jim is cool. Okay. All right. The next thing I want to do is add two strings. So instead of adding the name like this, we can also have, let's declare a string name, and let's declare a string description. And we can do that all in one line just by separating the names of the variables with a comma. And then I can set name initially equal to Tim, and we're going to change it right there. And I can set description initially equal to is cool. put a period there and a semicolon. And now I can print name and do a plus description here. All right. And I'm going to open up a terminal and I'm going to recompile and rerun, and I get Jim is cool. Okay. So that's another way we can add strings together. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, could you please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people? I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.